Okay, so for those that have been rocking with me, um, another video for the 2016 Chevy Malibu Limited LTZ 2.5 Ecotech. The video I made last week, I had a transmission leak, and what I thought was just a rubber seal or a washer with a rubber seal in it. Turns out I had bought this for those that don't want to watch the other video. I don't know, in reference to 258-747-97. If that's all you need, I recommend buying that first to check your leak. It's not called the transmission line. It's not called the transmission coolant line. It's called the accumulator pipe. Yeah, so this is the part that I changed the washer on. This is actually the new washer here. As you can see, it's a washer with the rubber seal in there, a rubber gasket, or however you want to put it in your terms. The good thing is, what helped me out with finding the part, I want to show y'all the crack, and I will show y'all on this. Like I said, I bought the seal. I bought the washer with the rubber seal. I put it back together. In the other video, all this is there. I put it back together. I still had the leak. I was kind of disappointed, as you could tell in the last video. So then I took the line off, right? And found my issue. So I'm about to show y'all. The problem. I'm going to attempt to show y'all. Step on in. All right. If I am doing a good job. Okay. All right. So on here, we got a nice, and if I could get this thing to there, oh man, look at that thing focusing too. Let's see. Hold on. Get this shit together. Hold on. If I could get this thing to cooperate, y'all. I just want to show y'all. Like I said, I didn't take the line off initially because I wanted to start cheap. The washer was $5. Y'all don't want to know the price. I'll let y'all do y'all diligence and look the price up for this line or its accumulator pipe. If I could get this thing to focus on that right there. There it is. There's a crack right there, y'all. See it? Crack. That was the leak. Now, I'm saying that because when I did the washer, I was saying that was causing the leak, because that's where the leak was coming from. I was hoping for it to be the washer, and it wasn't. So anyway, so y'all see the leak, y'all see the crack. Fortunately for me, this piece still had the part number on there. The transmission fluid done got to it now, so it's not sticking. But this had the part number on there, which I'll give y'all later. To save you time and effort, of course, that's my goal. I'm not here to be a professional tuber. I'm not here for the likes and the views. I'm here for the guys that's not trying to spend mechanic shop rate prices and show you can do it at your house with a little bit of tools and some time. Thanks to my brother. Shout out to him every time. He's the one that led me down this path, because 15 years ago, this thing would have been at a dealer getting fixed because I don't have time to be messing with janky mechanics. And yes, dealers got janky. We're not getting into that. So anyway, got the new part. When you go to order the part number that's on the original, the OEM, it has been replaced. And it's now this part number. I'm going to give you 2 part numbers to go. I always say I'm going to put stuff in the comments and I never do it. So 242. 242 68859. Now that's the original part number. And when they came out, it has been replaced by. Something like y'all something with it. 242-93148. It's been replaced by this part. Look that original part number up. That 242-68859. Look that up, and it'll tell you online. You'll look and you'll see it's been replaced by this new number. And see, it's all on there. It's nice and pretty. And I'm leaving this OEM. I get it from the dealer. I spend the money. You know why I spend the money? Because this car has 147,000 miles on it, and this is just not going out. It could be a recall item. I didn't do the research on that. Okay, I just bought it. Okay, so you might look into it. It might be a recall item. You might not have to go through this, and then you watching this video like, damn, let me check if it's a recall item, and you might, you know what I'm saying? So 2 things. It's been replaced by this new part, right? Because for one, the part that's cracked on mine, which is this side, it's been replaced by this. Look at that. Like, that's an upgrade. I guess they've been going out. Like I said, it might be a recall. GM, appreciate it. Y'all see that didn't work? And the location of where that side that's cracked, it's hot. And I think they just came back. And look, it came with the washers. I don't have to use the old ones. It came with the washers. Now the top side, it's still the original look, but that side that's cracked on mine is reinforced with the whole thing. So I'm gonna try to show y'all what we got going on. I don't know, y'all. This gonna be tough. It's late at night here, and the light situation. I'm using my phone. The light from the garage, the hood is hating. So when I get down low, I'll show y'all. It'll be better, but like it was in the last video. But I'm gonna get the top started, and I'm gonna show y'all what the top look like, and also I'm gonna show you how I got the line off. So